The six-way motorized ball valves have a very specific application. They are used in four-pipe systems to manage heating and cooling with a single terminal, such as fan coils or radiant ceilings. A typical case is that of a hotel where the air conditioning system must be able to heat one room and cool another one simultaneously. This diagram shows heating and cooling generated by a boiler and a chiller. The motorized valve performs the hot and cold switching at the terminal unit. As we can see from their configuration, six-way valves are basically two three-way ball valves on top of each other and operated by a single actuator. This side, with numbers 1 and 4, is where the cooling flow and return are connected. On the other side, with numbers 5 and 6, there's the heating flow and return, whereas in the center, with numbers 2 and 3, flow and return are connected to the terminal unit. To be able to switch between heating and cooling, the valve requires a Synthesy 90-degree actuator. The actuator is supplied in complete opening conditions, and the positioning arrow is longitudinal, thus matching the position of the valve on the heating side. As you can see, assembly is straightforward and fast, and the final result is a very compact unit, a fundamental characteristic for this product. Let's now simulate the operation. From the heating position, where the terminal unit is connected with the heating side, while the cooling side is closed, I activate the actuator, which, by rotating 90 degrees, connects the terminal unit with the cooling side, while the heating side remains closed. I have used a two-point control that, together with a neutral phase, blue wire, requires a fixed phase, brown wire, which positions the actuator in cooling mode. If the green wire is powered with one phase, the valve will go to the heating position. With a 45-degree rotation, the six-way motorized valve isolates the terminal unit from the system. If you want to carry out this operation, the six-way valve has to be used in conjunction with the three-position control version of the Synthesy DC actuator in direct current. Let's see how it works. The blue wire is the fixed negative. By powering the brown wire, the valve goes in the cooling position. When shifting the power from the brown wire to the green wire, the valve turns all the way to the heating position. If I supply power to both brown and green wires, I can reach the intermediate position at 45 degrees. The terminal unit is now completely isolated from the rest of the system. Heating and cooling require different flow rates due to different thermal gradients between flow and return. In most cases, the flow rates for heating operations are lower than those for cooling operations with a lower delta T. A set of discs is available with each six-way valve to adjust the various kVs flow rate. The values of the kVs flow rate are shown on the discs. Installation is really easy and fast. Just insert the disc in the housing. Thanks to the integrated anchor points, the disc will remain in position. The advantages of using the six-way ball valve are clear. Installation is easier because a six-way valve replaces two three-way valves or four two-way valves. The valve is compact, assembly mistakes are less likely, lower costs overall due to faster commissioning.